just got done touring a house and I wanted to give you guys an outro because I bought this truck in Minnesota. This is the Toyota 1794. I've had it for like 2 weeks now, and in this video you guys are going to see everything that I learned when I bought it, but I do want to show you how beautiful it is inside. Don't mind the mud and everything like that. It's getting driven pretty hard. I almost got 2,000 miles on it already. This thing is, I'm not even driving my Raptor anymore. This car was $30,000 cheaper than the Raptor, and I wouldn't buy the Raptor again. Got my yoga mat in here. Do you guys do yoga? Comment below. In this video, we're gonna tell you everything about this vehicle. You're gonna get into it. Check it out. I'm at Quality Toyota, Fergus Falls, Minnesota, with cousin Billy Funkauser, as they called him in basketball. What's your basketball name?
White shoes.
White shoes. Why?
Said white shoes.
You had white shoes. Were you one of the best basketball players in all of?
Not even close.
Not even close. All right, so we're down here. I put a deposit on a Toyota
Tundra 1794 hybrid with the off-road.
I haven't even been through it. Phil's gonna show me all the car. We're in the showroom here at Quality Toyota. I flew out here from Kansas City. Why? Because they sell cars over here for what?
Sticker, MSRP.
MSRP. So if I was to go buy this in any other dealership in the United States, what would it cost me?
You'd get jacked. You'd get jacked up.
So walk me through the car.
You got your 20-inch TRD off-road wheels with the Falcon Wild Peak tires for rubber around it. You got your iForce hybrid max engine, 3.5 V6 with the twin turbo, the battery backup.
How many miles per gallon?
You're gonna get about 20.
I think my Raptor gets like 12.
Maybe, if you're lucky.
If I'm lucky.
Previous Tundra was around there too, probably.
Wow, this is a nice looking interior.
So the 1794 has two options. You got the brown leather or you got a white cream leather. You got, check the screen out in that thing.
So you can see the screen right here. That's pretty dope.
I think it's 17 inches. Bigger than the TV you probably had as a kid. Got a panoramic moonroof, digital rear view mirror, heated cooled seats, heated steering wheel, heated and cooled in the back.
This is a dope vehicle.
Oh yeah.
I'm a big dude.
Magnetic gray is the color. See how you fit in there. And that's where you're sitting in the front comfortable, right?
Yeah, that's huge.
Yeah.
So
that's the selling point in the Tundra.
Wow.
Panoramic moonroof, the whole back window comes down. You can get a pretty cool feel too.
This is nice. It's got just a slick look. You told me these were manufactured in where, Texas?
Texas, on a ranch in Texas. You now got a composite bed.
What's a composite
Just
bed?
means it's made out of a whole bunch of materials. Is all a composite means, so it won't rust.
You were telling me we got a 110 volt over there. I didn't have.
Your wife can put her hair dryer in here if she needs to when you're camping.
Nice. She don't like to camp.
Tailgate goes down slowly so it doesn't slam into things.
Nice.
This thing's gonna tow right around probably just between 10 and 11,000 pounds with this one. They vary a little bit with each trim level. My pontoon weighs 4,000 probably.
So easy. I could pull 3 pontoons is what you're telling me.
Yep.
What else? Could I pull a tractor on this thing?
Depends how big the tractor is, man.
What if I got an excavator?
Yeah.
Like the ones you see on the side of the freeways? No problem.
Shouldn't be.
What's this little flare? This seems like a pretty cool little deal.
It's just a fender flare. Prevent some rock chips for you with your mud guards. Got the big chrome exhaust.
That's sick. Oh, why don't you roll this down? This is one of the things that was super cool.
Tundra specific.
Look at that, dude. Where do I do that from, Bill? So where does
Right up here, by your moonroof. Just on the other side of your moonroof.
On the other side of the moonroof?
That's your shade.
That thing go all the way back?
There we go.
Oh, wow. Who else has sold these cars here?
This is the first hybrid that we've sold.
The hybrid with the off-road package?
Yep.
Show me some of the cool things you showed me on the screen before.
Oh, you got your bird's eye view. Gonna give you a 360 view.
A 360-degree view of what's ever around me, digitalized, right?
Yeah. You got your digital rear view mirror, like I said.
Digital rear view mirror.
Got a trailer backup guide.
How's that trailer backup guide work?
It just gives you another view here on your camera too. You got your 4-wheel drive. Got a trailer brake. If your trailer starts to sway, you just squeeze that a couple times and it brakes it slightly. Got a JBL sound system in here. Cup holders,
USB ports, all that good stuff. Wow, look at that. Clean engine.
Here's a hybrid battery. 10-year, 150,000 mile warranty on the hybrid system.
I know you're mechanically inclined. You work on all your own vehicles?
Oh, yeah, you know it, Troy. Just engine coolant.
Is this my wiper fluid right here?
Yeah, there's your dipstick up there.
Dipstick for my oil.
You work on your own vehicles, Troy?
Every chance I get. I don't get a lot of chances, so. So again, these tires?
They're Falcon Wild Peaks. You could get the step up on the off-road Wild Peaks, yeah. You're not gonna need it buzzing around the town in Kansas City. You got a button here to click it
I
too.
didn't even know about that.
Yep.
That is wicked.
You can drop it from the fob too.
Drop it like it's hot dog. That is wicked.
Yeah, it's a sweet truck.
Bill gave me a ride. We had a great conversation, some great Chinese food from
A restaurant called 3DS.
3-hour drive. Bill drives like the wind. Wasn't scared of anything at all.
Swooped him up from the airport, stayed the night at his cousin's, and now he's buying a truck.
Did we hit the gym this morning?
Hit the gym this morning, 6:30 a.m.
Yeah, I was up early too.
I ordered some liquid peppermint because Bill told me that keeps him driving 17 hours a day, no problem.
That'll keep you wide awake any time of the day.
Yeah.
Just don't get it in your eyes. What a beautiful truck. That is gorgeous. That's about as nice as they come.
It's as nice as you can get them.
Bill's the man. I appreciate it, Bill.
Just give me a call.
All right, thanks, Bill.
Really enjoyed the conversation on the trip back. And
Me too.
a lot of connections there, a lot of similarities as I was younger. I can relate.
You said yesterday when we were driving, you said, wait, you don't have much free time, do you?
We all get the same 24 hours. What do we do with them? That's the difference.
That's it, brother. All right, thanks a lot. All right, so what was the deal with that?
Just have to hold it down a little longer.
Oh, it was just getting going. Probably the first time.
Popped its cherry.
Okay. Works great now. All right, let's go through the inside here.
Starting from here, you got power mirrors, memory seats, automatic high beams. This is to, so you can back your trailer up, otherwise you got like a rear collision avoidance system. Heated steering wheel. This is for your 120 in the back there.
So you got to turn this on to use it.
Yep.
So that way somebody can't just melt your battery when
Exactly.
So
someone just can't go plug their shit in and use your battery when you're not around. You got a telescopic power steering wheel. And it goes in or out or up or down.
Got it.
All kinds of cool stuff on here. You got a dynamic radar cruise control just to the speed of the vehicle in front of you.
Wow, that's awesome.
It's the best feature on these things. You got lane departure with steering assist.
Button.
You turn your cruise on and it automatically puts you with its automatic radar cruise. It's 1, 2, or 3 car lengths.
How do I turn the cruise on this thing?
Turn the cruise on in this thing, you just press this button, then you hit set. You got resume or up or down, 1 mile an hour at a time. Now you can select 1, 2, or 3 car lengths. Out in the country, you keep it at 3. Once you get it into an urban area, you probably want to pop it to 1.
Okay.
Otherwise you get budged.
So we'll go out and take this thing out as a test drive after I buy it.
We'll go take grandma out for lunch.
Great.
You got lane departure with steering assist. So if you get too close to the shoulder or median, it will alert you and actually correct you back to the center of the road.
What's this little thing?
That's just your back button.
For your screen?
Yeah, it brings you back to your home screen. This is just going to be volume for your music and calls. That's kind of like Siri, basically, once you get your Apple CarPlay set up.
What's mode?
AM, FM, Sirius, Bluetooth.
So bottom thing here is all for my stereo.
And your screen up here.
And my screen up here. This is calling.
Hands-free stuff.
This is volume right here.
No, that's going to just take you through different views on your screen.
Got it. What's the arrows back and forth?
Same thing, yeah.
So this controls my cruise basically.
Heated steering wheel too, a new feature on the 22 Tundras.
So how do I put the heat on?
Just press the button. And no more isotoners. Dan Marino's out of business.
This is just regular 2. I flip
2 high, pop it into 4 high, to come under 30, come to a stop in 4 low.
And
different drive modes. Sport, eco, normal.
Crawl.
Crawl control is like a low-speed cruise control. This MTS and crawl control is part of the off-road package.
Does this thing charge my phone right here?
Yep.
Okay, so this button right here, what does this do, Bill?
It's a trailer backup guide. Then you got bird's eye view. Then you got your traction control, hazard lights. Then that's going to lock your rear differential in.
What would I want to do that for?
Just if you're doing some super off-roading.
Super off-roading is my rear differential. Let's go through this. My heated seats.
Heated seats, cooled seats, fan mode, front defrost.
Front defrost.
Rear and side mirror defrost.
That's wicked.
Yeah, and then obviously air conditioning.
Air conditioning, circular.
Yeah, if you're on a gravel road or you're going by a turkey farm, you can hit that and it sucks in air from the cabin only.
Cool. Got my USB port here.
Yeah.
Where else do I got USB?
You got them all over. Probably in your glove compartment in the back seat too.
I got my coffee cup here. I got my water cup here. I can pull this bad boy up.
There's more of your charge
USB
ports.
and 1 USB. You said there's a 110 also in the back cab, the cab?
2 chargers, your 120 volt, and then heated and cooled seats
Where's the
back there.
120? I thought it's a 110.
No, it's a 120.
Really?
Yeah, it's just like that.
Cool.
Just your standard plug-in like you'd have in your house.
Cool, and there's 2 USB ports. You got covers on them, that's cool. I think probably one of the coolest features is this thing right here.
Yeah.
That is awesome.
You like that on a nice day.
How much was this car, Bill?
68 and change, right?
What are these selling for in other car lots?
Just, it depends on the car lot. You hear anywhere from 5, 10, 20 grand over.
Why did I get such a good deal? Is it because I'm your cousin?
Well, it's because you shopped at Quality Toyota.
Quality Toyota. If somebody wants to buy a car from Quality Toyota and they want to work with Bill Funkhauser, Billy White Shoes Funkhauser, what's the best way to get a hold of you?
Bill at qualitytoyota.net. Or just go to our website.
They're old school and they say, you know what, I want to text this guy, I want to give him a call. How do they get a hold of you?
702-812-2947.
What's your social media handle, Bill?
Troy Kearns.
Anything else we need to know about this vehicle? We're gonna take it for a ride. We're gonna go get financed in there. We'll probably have Pete, who says, reads every single thing about these cars and knows everything about it. We'll get my car souped up. We'll go in there and get financed. That's the next thing we're gonna do is get financed. Now, I came out here, I flew out here yesterday. Quality Toyota, this is how much they care about their customers. They came and picked me up from the airport. On time, didn't have to wait, got off my plane. Bill called me, he's ready to roll. Then I got Billy Funkhauser, called me, got my car when it was ready. He said, hey, I tracked it, it's on the train tracks. Should be here from 3 minutes to 3 days, 3 weeks, I don't know. Calls me, it's coming out here. Took a flight, took me an hour to get here from Kansas City.
Pre-approved when he showed up through our finance department.
Did online.
Yeah.
Paul's the owner, greeted me at the door with a handshake and a cup of coffee and a Coke Zero. This is a local small dealership. What's the population of Fergus Falls, Minnesota?
13,000. And growing. We got some stuff coming up.
They got an Amazon store coming next door. Bill, what did you do before you started selling cars?
Certified teacher and a basketball coach.
How much were you making as a teacher in Las Vegas, Nevada?
Not a lot, man. 50 grand.
What'd you start at?
First job out of college, 28.5.
You worked 20 years as a teacher?
About, yeah.
20 years as a teacher. What was your first year here at Quality Toyota?
It's better than teaching, we'll say that.
We'll say that. Yeah. Bill's a humble guy. He's been kicking ass. Probably one of the top sales guys every month. Obviously, there's a couple guys kicking your ass.
Yeah, we got a small sales team, so the love is shared.
It's a team of 2, so he's number 2. Enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoyed this truck. I certainly have. Speaking of which, I got to register my plates here pretty soon. I got about 30 more days left, but this truck has got it all. It's one of the best trucks I've ever bought. I've always wanted a Toyota Tundra. I don't know why it took me so long to buy them. I'm 44. It's my first one. I probably can tell you right now that I won't ever go back. Like, this is a great vehicle. The screen in this thing is such a monster. The plasma in your freaking living room, it's awesome. I find myself watching like all sorts of movies on there. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you follow. Peace.